Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to cancel items on Temu. First of all, you can open the Temu application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the U icon at the bottom middle of the screen. Tap on it, and now you can tap on your orders here. And here you will find your orders here. In my screen, you cannot see any order because I can't order any of the product on Temu. So if you see your products here, you can just simply tap on the cancel option at the right side of the product. And if the product is shipped, you cannot cancel the item on Temu. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.